Okay, now this video is very important if you want to start a newsletter. In this video, I will show you why you should choose Beehiiv platform over traditional newsletter hosting platforms to start your newsletter. And I will show you why Beehiiv platform can earn a lot of money from your newsletter than traditional newsletter hosting platforms. So this is very important because choosing a newsletter hosting platform is the most important factor at the beginning of your newsletter journey. If you want to earn more money, I'm telling you, you should start on Beehiiv platform. This is one of my newsletter, Vision AR Insight. This newsletter is all about augmented reality and virtual reality. Okay, number one reason we want to start a newsletter is to earn money. We want to earn money basically as a side hustle or as a full-time job. We want to earn money with our newsletter. So on Beehiiv platform, there is an entire section called monetization. When we click on that, we have three options to monetize our newsletter without much effort. Beehiiv platform facilitate everything. For example, if we click on this ad section, Beehiiv platform itself gives us advertisement opportunity. You don't need to go out and search for advertisement opportunities or sponsors for your newsletter. Beehiiv platform, inside that platform, they are providing advertisement opportunity for us. So we have to just select the advertisement opportunity and select the date and write our newsletter and send it. And there is another monetization opportunity. This is called subscriptions. My newsletter is free. I have 5,165 subscribers. All those are free subscribers because this newsletter niche is not something suitable for paid subscriptions. But if you want to start a newsletter about real estate or cryptocurrency, you can of course start a paid subscription newsletter. You can add additional value for your paid subscribers and you can provide those details, maybe trading signals or trading charts. Right, maybe some real estate opportunity, investing opportunity like that. You can start a paid subscription newsletter. The most important thing is on Beehiiv platform, you can start this paid subscription section inside your normal free newsletter. Right, you can divide that newsletter into free section and paid section. And there is another interesting way of earning money using Beehiiv platform. It is called boost. You can use your newsletter to boost other newsletters and you can get paid per subscriber. That means for each subscriber you can get exact dollar amount. In this case, you can see I have earned $4,461 from Beehiiv boost on this newsletter. My newsletter, it is about real estate. Then I am getting around $2.3 per subscriber. So you can see the potential of this. If I can get 10,000 subscribers for my boost newsletters, I can earn $23,000. That's why this is very easy to earn money using Beehiiv platform. Okay, now you have ads, subscription and boost to earn money from Beehiiv platform. And next thing is you want to grow your newsletter. That's also very important. Inside Beehiiv platform, there are several ways you can use to boost your own newsletter. When we go to this grow section here, when you click that, you can see there are 4 ways that you can grow your newsletter. First one is boost. You can get paid from other newsletter to boost their newsletter, and you can pay other newsletters to boost your own newsletter. You can decide for a subscriber you pay around $1 to $2 or even $0.7 to a subscribers that you get from each boost. Like that you can grow your newsletter. Then there are section called magic link, that you can create a magic link and you can promote that link on Beehiiv platform, on other newsletters on Beehiiv platform. And when subscriber click on that link, they automatically subscribe to a newsletter, right? Then another way, recommendation. You can recommend other newsletters to your subscribers for free. Then it will increase the chance of that each newsletter promoting your or recommending your newsletter to their subscribers. This is like collaboration. You can collaborate with other newsletter owners relevant to your niche. For this example, I can select a few other newsletters on real estate and I can recommend them to my subscribers, and I can ask those newsletter owners to recommend my own newsletter to their subscribers. So that is win-win situation. Then we have another section called referral program. You can start a referral program inside your newsletter. Then your subscribers can promote your newsletter. Then for example, if a subscriber drive 10 other subscribers as referrals to your newsletter, they can get a t-shirt, free mug, or maybe a premium content like that. And most important thing is you can add this referral system to your newsletter for free inside Beehiive platform. There is no need of coding or any other special knowledge. So it is very easy for newcomers and beginners in the newsletter journey to start earning and growing your newsletter inside Beehiive platform. Another important thing I see on this Beehiive platform is the simplicity. You can start a newsletter within few hours, and you can start writing of that newsletter inside Beehiive platform very in a simple way. You can even use ChatGPT, and you can copy that text and paste on Beehiive platform, and you can use some images, and you can put your referral system, your boost, your advertisement opportunities just with one click, right? It is very important to have this simplicity, because I see that most of newcomers to newsletter business, they find very difficult to proceed with this newsletter business because they think that this is very complicated things, writing newsletter, adding referral programs, adding some advertisement opportunity to your newsletter. But when we use the Beehiive platform, we see this is very easy, and it will increase the potential of earning more money inside Beehiive platform. Okay, if you want to start a newsletter, and if you want to use Beehiive platform to start a newsletter, there's a link in the description. You can use that link and create a Beehiive account, and you can start a newsletter for free on Beehiive platform. And if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade later. And you know, my YouTube channel is a new YouTube channel. I have few subscribers, and I'm improving my videos each day, and which each video I'm trying to improve my videos. I have never done YouTube videos before, so it is very difficult me to create some videos at the beginning, but I will try my best to give a good value to you. So I need your help to grow this YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and like this video and comment this video. So when I get more subscribers, more likes, more views, it will motivate me to create more videos, more useful videos. And if you have suggestion to create videos on newsletter business, please let me know on comment section, so I will try to do those videos. So until next time, bye bye.